The universe is full of jaw-dropping events, and some of them are happening right under your nose. Missed the last solar eclipse? That's nothing compared to what's coming. From stars on collision courses to humanity's boldest space missions yet, these are 9 more insane events you will probably miss unless you're watching closely. 1. The first human on Mars. It won't just be another moon landing, it'll be the first human on another planet. NASA, SpaceX, and others are racing toward Mars, and within the next 10 to 20 years, we might see the first Martian footsteps, new cities, new laws, a new civilization. This will be the most ambitious migration in human history, and most people still don't believe it will happen, but it will, and it'll change everything. 2. Earth's magnetic field is shifting. Earth's magnetic field protects us from solar radiation, and it's acting weird. The poles are drifting, the field is weakening, and some scientists believe we may be heading for a magnetic reversal. If that happens, satellites could fail, GPS could go haywire, and radiation levels could spike. It's slow, silent, invisible, and you probably won't notice it until something breaks. Third asteroid, Apophis, is coming close. In 2029, asteroid 99,942 Apophis will pass Earth closer than our communication satellites, just 32,000 kilometers away. You'll be able to see it with the naked eye, a once-in-a-lifetime event. It won't hit us, but if you're not looking up that night, you'll miss one of the most epic close calls in human history. The Parker Solar Probe's death dive. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is diving closer to the Sun than any spacecraft in history. By 2025, it will skim the Sun's surface, enduring temperatures over 1,300 degrees Celsius, all to unlock the secrets of solar storms. It's a one-way mission. Eventually, it'll plunge into the Sun itself, and most people will never even hear about it. 5. The Milky Way is on a collision course. In about 4 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. Stars won't crash into each other, but the collision will rip and reshape both galaxies, forming a massive new galaxy, possibly called Milkomeda. You'll miss it, unless you live for a few billion years. 6. The moon is leaving us every year. The moon drifts away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters farther. It might not sound like much, but over millions of years, it'll dramatically change tides, Earth's rotation, and maybe even wipe out solar eclipses entirely. Don't panic. It won't affect your lifetime, but it's already in motion, and it's reshaping Earth's future. 7. The Arctic is transforming. The Arctic is melting, and not slowly. Scientists predict it could become ice-free in summer by 2035, with massive global consequences. Rising seas, dying ecosystems, weather chaos. It's already happening, and most of the world still isn't watching. This isn't a future problem. It's now. 8. Betelgeuse might explode. The red supergiant Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in Orion, is nearing the end of its life. Any day in the next 100,000 years, it could go supernova, lighting up our night sky as bright as the full moon. Will it happen tomorrow? Next year? Maybe. But when it does, it'll be visible during the day. And if you blink, you'll miss it. 9. The next supervolcano eruption Yellowstone. Campi Flegrei, Toba. These aren't just tourist sites, they're ticking time bombs. Supervolcanoes erupt maybe once every 100,000 years. But when they do, they can darken skies, cool the planet, and collapse civilizations. Scientists monitor them constantly. But if one blows tomorrow, billions won't see it coming. The future is coming fast, and most of it happens while we're distracted. But not you. You made it this far, which means you're curious, awake, and paying attention. If you don't want to miss what's next, like this video, subscribe to Fact and Joy and hit that bell, because we've got even more mind-blowing events you've never heard of. And trust me, you won't want to sleep through them. Thanks for watching.